Hello everybody, this video is regarding steering wheel control settings on a aftermarket stereo. I bought this stereo off AliExpress for my Mitsubishi Asx or RVR in Europe. So I couldn't control all the functions from my steering wheel, which is basically phone answering button and phone ending call button, voice control and a mode. It was only working with the volume up, volume down, and the next track and previous tracks button. It does come with the canvas box at the back, a red labeled box, yeah, which communicate with the car's computer system, but it wasn't working properly with the steering wheel control. The seller messaged them, yeah, and they said you need to connect some wires at the back, but I personally think it was wrong. They didn't give you the access to the factory settings where you can actually set all the steering wheel controls. So I asked them, yeah, what is the code for factory settings? Let's go to the 1 second. So you go to the car settings and then you scroll down to factory settings. So you click on factory settings, it asks you for a code. So I haven't had that code, so I asked seller to give me code. They send me the code, and the code for this stereo, this is a Marubox, I think Marubox. I will put the name in description here so you can see what name the company is. So they send me code 126 to unlock the factory settings. So you got these all settings here, which is hidden from a normal access. Basically, when you go to the key, it says on the wheel key default configuration or panel control settings or everything. So when you click on there, not this one, 1 second, cannabis key study, see, that's where you need to go, cannabis key study. And then when you press a button, it'll ask you for a action, what action you want to take, and then once you select that action, press save and exit, and that's it. So I have saved the volume up and volume down button was working fine, but it was just the phone answering and ending call buttons, it wasn't working. So when I pressed phone answering button, yeah, I actually programmed it with the green button, and then when phone ending call button, yeah, programmed it with the red one, and then the mod button I programmed it with the pause and continue from there. And the voice control, original Mitsubishi voice control button, yeah, you can program to anything you want basically. Or I have programmed it to mute. So these all four are working with the other volume up and volume down buttons. So it's basically you have to go into these settings, canvas key story. It's not working with the normal. I'll show you. So you go to the apps, it will say on there, so you say wheel key or something. So if you click on there, it's not gonna happen anything. See, if I press button on the, see, it's been programmed in the canvas, that's why it's taking me to the Bluetooth. But if there was no keys being programmed on your steering wheel, it will do nothing on that. It will do nothing here, nothing will come up. So this is just a useless, I think. This app here is called the wheel key. Let me focus on it. Yeah, it's called wheel key. It's just useless app, you don't need this one. Basically you need to go into settings, go to the car settings, factory setting, and the code is 126 to get into the factory setting. Press OK and it'll take you to these settings. I have only used the key setting, but you can change the other things as well, it's up to you. So that's it for now. If anybody needs help here, you can leave any message in the comments here, and I'll more than happy to reply. And in the end, I'll tell you, this is a Marubox head unit, Android 10.0, px5 with 64 gig of storage and 4 gig of RAM. and I bought this from AliExpress, and I don't know if this code's gonna work for other ad units or not. You can try it, but I'm not taking any responsibility. Thanks for watching the video.